Hi everyone, Sotak here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make my VERA slouch bag. This beginner-friendly stylish tote finishes at 11 inches wide on the bottom by 11 inches tall by 4 inches deep, and it features two exterior slip pockets, a magnetic snap closure, and a nice roomy zipper pocket on the inside of the bag, as well as an additional slip pocket. I went ahead and cut out all my panels and adhered fusible interfacing to the wrong side of each of the corresponding panels, and you can find all the cutting measurements as well as step-by-step written instructions and color photos in my VERA slouch bag pattern, and I will put a link to the pattern in the description box below the video so you can purchase it if you wish. I will be using 1-inch wide cotton webbing for the strap and D-ring tabs of my bag, but the pattern provides instructions on how to make them out of fabric if that's what you prefer. I will also be using a zipper by the foot for my zipper pocket, but again, a metal zipper or a nylon zipper would work great, and you can find the instructions on how to add them to the bag in the pattern. This bag is constructed slightly differently from the bags I've already shared here on my YouTube channel, and the difference is that I will be using inner lining, which is a layer of fabric. I'm using medium weight canvas, and I will add this fabric in between the lining and exterior panels, and the reason for using these is to make my finished bag a bit more sturdy. Now you can always skip adding inner lining to your bag, but just remember that the finished bag might be a bit more floppy. Or if you prefer, you can substitute medium weight fusible interfacing for fusible fleece, which will give you a bit more structure without the need for using the inner lining. Let's get started, shall we?